Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And with the rising costs of PCs due to RAM shortage, to solid state drive shortages, also, all of that because of AI data centers, there's a lot of scams that are popping up to try to sell PCs. And if you're not wise enough to look at all the big details and the fine print, you can get scammed. And this is going on a lot of online websites. Newegg, I'm going to show you an example, but Amazon has a lot of that going on too. And by the way, this is going to show you an HP computer, but it's not just HP. It's every brand. It doesn't, stick to a specific brand. So, sorry. What comes is the PC that you see here. Things look kind of normal. It says that there's 1.1 terabyte storage. Now, here it details 1 terabyte, one drive, plus 128 gigabyte of a storage on the PC. But you got to make sure that you understand that. And not all of them say it here. A lot of them will say 1 or 1.2 terabyte storage. And it's in the fine details where you go down and you look at the storage. Our drive is only 128 gigabytes, which is way too small for any PC. You should never purchase a PC with that small of storage for Windows. And there's a lot of that going on. So this is one example. This is from Newegg, but there's examples on Amazon. There's examples on other websites that sell PCs. They're trying to fool you into thinking you've got at least a terabyte of storage, but in reality, you have a very small hard drive. The rest is the one drive, 1 terabyte, because here it tells you that it comes with a 12-month subscription for one user. For Microsoft 365. So by activating this, you in fact do get 1 terabyte online of OneDrive, but your PC has 128. And that is the most important because that's what's used by your PC and the software that you install. So be very, very, very careful of this kind of scam going on right now. Like I said, it's been seen on Amazon also. So when you buy a PC, do be careful with all the, fine print and what is actually the truth with what's coming with your PC. A lot of scams are going on right now, and with the price rise, this is going to be even more and more current as a scam because since PCs are getting so expensive, people are trying to save money, and they fall for these types of announcements. So be careful. Lots of scams out there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.